In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to use OpenProject. So basically, OpenProject is an open source project management tool designed for collaboration, task tracking, and agile workflows. So if we go to pricing, we can see that they offer the plans based on the number of users. So let's choose 15 like this, and you can see that for 1 year is gonna cost you around $4,000. Now, depending on which plan you pick, you can also pick the free one. Now, once you get the free or the paid one, you just have to basically set up projects with milestones, tasks, and timelines. Then assign roles and permissions to team members for secure collaboration, manage tasks and track progress using Gantt charts and Kanban boards, and generate reports and time tracking for project insights and resource planning. So basically that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.